Have you ever created a stunning Canva design and wish others could use your layout without messing up your original work? Well, that's exactly what Canva's template share feature lets you do. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to share your design as a reusable template that others can instantly customize as their own. Let's get started. First, open the design you want to share. Once it's open, look at the top right corner and click on the share button. Now, this is the important part. Under the share options, look for something called template link. It might be under a dropdown that says more depending on your Canva version. Next, click template link and then select create template link. Canva will instantly generate a special link for you. When someone opens that link, Canva creates a fresh copy of your design in their own account, meaning they can edit it however they want while your original stays completely safe and untouched. This is perfect if you're a designer sharing templates with clients, a teacher sending out editable materials, or just someone who wants to make design collaboration easier. A quick heads up though, the template share feature is only available for Canva Pro, teams, education, or nonprofit accounts. So if you're on the free plan, you won't see this option. Once your link is ready, simply copy it and share it anywhere. Email, social media, or even inside a document. The moment someone clicks it, they'll get their own editable version of your design. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can turn your Canva designs into shareable, professional templates that anyone can reuse. If you found this helpful, stick around for more quick Canva tips to help you design smarter, not harder.